Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighna Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramartha-swarupinam Tattva-jnana-prashastaram Pranatosmi param padam Vāgartha-viva sampraktau Vāgartha-pratipattaye Jagatah-pitarau vande Parvati-parameshwarau Yenakshara-samamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanta Shanta Shantihi Alpaksharam Asandigdham
Alpaksharam
asaktam
Taravat Vishvato Mukham
Vishvato
mukham
Astobham Anavadyam Cha
astobham anavadyam cha
Sutram Sutravido Viduhu
sutram sutravido viduhu
Ayuvan Prilak Eong Ayauch Hayavarat Lan Tamangananam Jabhai Ghadadash Jabagadash Khapa Chatatha Chatatau Kapai Ashasar Hal. What is Kar? Kar letter. Kar.
Second letters, first letters.
Then should be able to say.
Then
shasasa.
Yes, you should have the practice to say it quickly, immediately. What are those letters? Kar. Please go through that file. Already I sent you this, the Pratyahara Sutra. We saw very elaborately. Kar letter. See, when I say Kar, okay, all these Pratyaharas are important. We are using that in this. In this we are using. Like the Kar, when I say, what are the Kar letters?
First, second letters. semi-vowels and sibilants except ha.
How can semi-vowels come here? That means I think I have to redo it again. Mageshwar Sutra.
Ya, ra, ha, kha, ya, khai, ya,
See,
ya.
Sibilants.
there's some noise, please. Background noise. I don't know where mic is noise is there. See, make sure.
Vyanjanani.
Vyanjanani.
Yes.
Second and first letters and sibilants. Without her.
Vyanjana is also includes all these the fifth letter, fourth
Yeah.
letter, all the Vyanjanas only.
No, yes,
Yes.
yes.
That is not Kar alone is not. Kar is Vyanjanam. Is okay.
Hard consonants.
Hard consonants. Good. What are hard consonants then?
The first
See,
two letters of every
Second
group.
Second and first letters and
Second.
sibilants.
Okay,
Yeah,
please listen.
sibilants.
There is some noise. We are moving the mic or you are moving the table, you are turning the paper and the background noise. This noise should not be there. Please make sure. Don't shake the laptop or something where you keep the thing. No? That noise also will be there. It's very clearly heard.
Oh, that is your kar.
Okay. So what is kar? When I ask what is kar, it's a consonant. Who said it's not a consonant? Yes, it's a consonant, but that is content of kar. You have to see what is the first letter here. I've given already the clue how to find out this. First is Mageshwar Sutras need to be memorized in the same order. And that in that kha is the second letter. Second letter means the second letter of that class. Kha, the second letter. See the Mageshwara Sutra. I gave you an easy way to remember this. How the order of the letters flows into Mageshwara Sutra. The 14 sutras are there. The first 4 sutras cover all the vowels. And the next two sutra, that is 5 and 6, cover all the semi-vowels. Ha and semi-vowels. Hakara, the sibilant is there. And Yavara, semi-vowels. Therefore, how can kar letter cover semi-vowels? No, not that.
No.
And also semi-vowels being soft consonant, kar being hard consonant, how can kar cover the soft consonants? Not possible. Clear? Then, sibilant alone is not the answer. Okay. So you give the answer, total answer, not by parts.
Vyanjanani.
That is 8th sutra. That is covers the 5th letter. Then the 7th sutra, not 8th one. And 8 and 9 cover the 4th letter of all the classes. 5th sutra, 10th sutra covers the 3rd letter of all the classes. 11th sutra, from there only starts the second letter. The second letter of all the classes start from there. And 11 and 12 covers the second and the first letter of all the classes. And 13th sutra covers sha, sha, sa, the 3 sibilants, the last one ha. Now you see the anubandha, the ith letter. Repa is here, kha is here. So you see now, second letter of all the classes, first letter and the first 3 sibilants. These are the kar letter, hard consonants. First, the vowels, semi-vowels, 5th letter, 4th letter, 3rd letter, 2nd letter, and then sibilants. This is how these sutras are. This is how the sutras are arranged by Parameshwara. Nobody did this. This is how it was revealed. See the arrangement of the varnas in this. The first 4 sutra vowels, and this next 2 sutras semi-vowels. Then 5th letter of the class, all the classes, 5th letter of all the classes, 4th letter, 3rd letter, 2nd letter, 1st letter, and then these sibilants. And kar, when I said, the 2nd letter. So you have to flow down. In this flow, you have to always come down. You cannot go up. The flow is always from up, down only. So Kha, starting from Kha up to Repa. Kha is second letter. And Repa is the Anubandha for the sibilant, the 13th sutra. So second letter and first letter is covered. Right? And Shashasa. Ha is not covered. Ha is not because Ha is a soft consonant. That is why it is repeated here. So all these things we have seen. We should know. Khar, if any pratyahara if I give, you should be able to say what it is. If I say hush, what is hush now? The same thing we have seen in the beginners class also. The beginners class means in the beginning of the class, this batch. That time itself, we talked about this, the PowerPoint and that thing. And the same thing is covered again, second time, through Mageshwara Sutra. This has been repeated. They repeated the same thing, topic. Khar is very important pratyahara, one of the important pratyahara, khar. Okay, what is the next next one? That's hush. I asked hush. What is hush?
Semi-vowels, fifth, fourth and third letters.
It is soft consonants. Mridu Vyanjanani. It is Mridu Vyanjanani. That is starting from Ha, that is fifth sutra. Ha, semi-vowels, 5, 4, 3. Stop there. Jabagada dash. 5, 4, 3. That is Ha is the sibilant. Then Yava Rala semi-vowels. Nyama Nga Na Na, fifth letter. Jabha Gha Da Da, fourth letter. Jabha Gha Da Da, third letter. So fifth letter of all the classes, fourth letter of all the classes, then third letter of all the classes. This is how you have to remember. It's easy to remember, not difficult. Vowels, then Ha and semi-vowels, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then sibilants. This is the order. And the Anubandha of each sutra you have to remember. Okay, you need to go back and study this again. Okay. Anyway, just as whether you remember, Kar, Harsh, Jhal, so many other things will come up slowly. Now, let us chant this. Akuka Visarjaniyānām Kantaha
Akuhu
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
Ichu Yeshanām Talu
Ichuyashanam
तालु
Ruturashanām Mūrdha
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
Lutulasanām Dantāha
लसानां
लसानां दन्ताः
Upupadmaniyānām Oštau
नियानाम् ओष्टौ
Nyamagadhadanām Nasika cha
नियमगणनानां नासिका
Edaitogo Kantathalu
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
Odautogo Kanta Oshtam
उदौतुः कण्ठ औष्ठम्
ओष्टं
Harasya Danta Oshtam
वकारस्य
दन्त औष्ठम्
Jikhva Muliyasya Jikhva Mulyam
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं
Mulyam
Nasika Anuswarasya
नासिकास्वरस्य
Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje
रामो
राजमणि
विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
Ramena Bhigata Nishachara Chamuh Ramaya Tasmai Namaha
चरचमोः रामाय
रामाय
तस्मै
तस्मै
नमः
नमः
Raman Nasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham
Ramannasti Parayanam
परं
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me Bho Rama Muddhara
रामे
चित्तलया
स्मृता भवतु मे
राममुत्तरा
Shabda chanting, we don't have time, so skipping that. You can do it on some other time. Now, this just a minute, just I'll show you.
Guruji, could you tell me your page number, please?
Just a minute. Just a minute, please. I'll open this. Okay. This, you please remember this. This is already what we saw. I even relook this sutra, Magesha Sutra. I even relook Evom Ayoj. You can see simple vowels, conjunct vowels, ha plus semivowels, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 sibilants. This is how the letters are organized in the Mageshwara Sutra. So, when he asked what is Kar, Kar is second letter and ending with the Anubandha, which is the sibilant excepting Ha. So it doesn't cover the semivowels. It doesn't cover the fifth letter. Doesn't cover the fourth letter. Doesn't cover third letter. All these letters should not come at all. Not there at all. Your answer should not be there. Kha is second letter. Then how can it cover semivowel? How can it go before? Clear? So Kar is second letter. Being second letter, you follow this order. How the order flows. Simple, conjunct, ha plus semivowels, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2. When you are that 2, then you have to go down further. 2, then first letter, and see which word is the Anubandha. Whether it covers only second and fourth, second and 1. But it's Kha and Ya. Khai. Suppose we say Khai. Khai is starting from Kha, ending with Yakara. Khai. Second and first letters of all the classes are covered by the Pratyahara Khai. Khar is second letter, ending with the sibilant. Ending with this shashasa, only the 3 sibilants. If we say khal, it covers all the sibilants. 2, 1, and all the sibilants. So remember this order. Okay, it's very easy. It's not difficult. Anyway, just wanted to show that. This page number, okay. Page number is 69 we are.
Thank you.
So we are in this, the last, the rule. What is the last rule? What is the last rule says? We have seen some 5 rules and this is the last one. Starting from
Padanta eng
Purvarup Sandhi.
Padanta eng, good. Please continue. Padanta eng.
is followed by A or O.
Not
I mean,
followed
sorry,
by A.
that is
No,
A or O is followed by short
A.
vowel.
Short vowel
Yes.
R.
Yes, good. Padanta eng is good. Padanta eng followed by Rasva Akara.
Rasvaha.
That's very
Akara.
important. Akara only, not any other letter. Okay. Only Rasva Akara. Rasva is number 1 condition, and second condition it must be Akara only, not any other vowel. Then what happens?
It will be replaced by
Both
Purva
replaced by
letter.
Purva letter eng.
Yes, both will be replaced. Both will be replaced by the Purva letter. That happens to be eng letter. That is A or O. That is called Purva Rupa Sandhi. So we have seen Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Yan Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, and Ayadi Sandhi. The last one is
Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Purvarupa Sandhi.
When A is followed by, when H letter, Eng is a part of H. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Eng is a part of H. H is A, I, O, O.
Oh, oh.
difficult to remember, you can keep this, take a printout of this and keep. You see the second line, age. A, ong, I, ouch, H, pratyahara, starting from A up to this anubandha, chakara, H, covers eng also, A, O. So eng is a subset of H. Now, H when followed by H, what is the rule?
Vriddhi Sandhi. Vriddhi Sandhi.
Ayadi Sandhi.
Very good. Ayadi Sandhi. How can be Vriddhi Sandhi? It means
Oh,
Vriddhi
yeah,
Sandhi is what? Vriddhi Sandhi, Guna Sandhi happens only when the Purva Pada is Avarna. I'm asking H followed by Ach.
Ach.
How can it be Vriddhi or Guna? Think and answer. Avarna in Guna and Vriddhi Sandhi, Purva letter is Avarna. Avarna means A or A. Avarna. That is very specific. Avarna followed by. Ik letter is Guna Sandhi. Avarna followed by H letter, Vriddhi Sandhi. Now H letter followed by Ach, that is Ayadi Sandhi.
Ayadi.
And Yang is a subset of H. When it is followed by Rasva Akara, then it is Pururpa Sandhi. This is how you have to understand. And Ik followed by Ach, Yen Sandhi. Ak followed by Savarna, Savana Dirgha Sandhi. That's what it is. It's all very simple. Only 6 simple basic rules. These 6 are simple and basic also. There are so many other rules are there. We are not going to see everything in one stretch. When the time comes, we will see. But this should be very clear. So when we read a text, we should be able to see the individual padam. Without knowing the individual padam, you cannot chant, you cannot understand any script. Chanting itself is not possible. Any shloka or anything. How can you chant? Where you stop? You cannot stop anywhere you like. Because in a shloka, it could be a compound word. You cannot stop, you cannot break the compound anywhere you like. Water flows underneath. Statement is there in English, okay? Water flows underneath. Underneath is one word, it's a compound. You cannot say water flows under, then pause. After that, neath. What is neath? That's not accepted in English. Same way here also. In Saṃskṛtam, you have to see the words, whether they are breakable. If it is a compound, it is not breakable. If it is a compound, even you will see in Gita and other text, one line of the shloka could be one compound. You cannot break it. You have to chant completely. You have to chant completely that line. You cannot pause anywhere. And when you pause and chant like Anushtup Chandas like Gita, where you cut, that is important. When you cut into 2 quarters, each quarter having 8 letters, Anushtup Chandas, there it should be split. For what Sandhi has happened, based on that you split that. So the Sandhi knowledge is important. Without Sandhi, you cannot break the Vakya, you cannot break the Shloka into individual Padam. That you should know for chant. Even for reading, chanting, you know it. Then what to talk about the language. Sandhi is an important thing. Okay, coming back to this. Last line, what we saw in last class was Shraddhavanto Anasuyantaha. All these are from Gita only. Shraddhavanto, you have to see the last letter is O, Yang letter. O is Yang, A-O, followed by A. Shraddhavanto, it is a Padam. You don't know whether it is a Padam or not. That is a valid question. That little bit of Saṃskṛtam, little bit of Shabda knowledge can help you to understand whether it is Padam or not. Shraddhavanto is, in fact, it is, that we will see Shraddha, how it is Shraddhavanto. We need to know some more things, some more Sandhi. We will come to know that later. But since we are doing Purva Sandhi, therefore you can take for granted the Shraddhavanto is a Padam. Anasuyantaha is another Padam. So Shraddhavanto, when it is a Padam, and here O is Padanta. It is Padanta O. That is, O is at the end of the Padam. And the rule talks about the Padanta Yang. Therefore, it is applicable. Yang has got the letters A and O. And O is here. Padanta Yang we say. The Padanta O followed by Rasva Avarna. Rasva, not Rasva, yeah, Rasva Avarna. Rasva Kara. And both will be replaced by the Purva, which is O. Then this Para Avarna, Rasva Avarna is elided. That elision is shown by this Avagraha symbol. This is Avagraha. That is not a letter. This is not a Varna. This is Avagraha. Shraddhavanto plus Anasuyantaha. Shraddhavanto Nasuyantaha. So if you know this, you can split. Shraddhavanto Nasuyantaha. So Shraddha, suppose if it is there at the middle, then when you chant, then you stop Shraddhavantaha, then the next quarter will start Anasuyantaha. So that's Sandhi. Sandhi is important. Okay, now we are saying Purva Rupa Sandhi.
So Guruji, wherever there is avagraha, does it mean it is a Purva Rup Sandhi?
No, need not be. Wherever Avagraha is there, understand that Akara has elided, disappeared, removed. Okay. That you have to understand. Need not be Purva Rupa Sandhi. Why the same thing can be done for our Savarna Dirgha Sandhi also. We saw that. In Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, we saw some example. Like this example. Let's say Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. You can take the example like what is that? I'm just randomly taking Janma plus Adikyam, something like that. Okay. So it is Janma, then could be 2 Avagraha Adikyam. Possible, right?
Yes, Guruji.
So here actually it is Dirgha Sandhi, Janma Adikyam, we can say. Janma, Dirgha, you have to write it, and then for that one, this not in this context, Janma Adikyam. I think I should give another example. This is not a good example. So what I'm saying is where the okay, then I give here Gunadikyam, A plus A, suppose if I say. Then Guna, 2 Avagraha I can show like this.
Okay.
So it is the letter Akara is elided. So need not be Purva Rupa Sandhi always. Okay. Now
Thank you,
Padmaji can read.
Guruji,
Yeah.
Guruji, in that example, one avagraha means Hasva.
One Akara. Yes. 2 means
Yeah.
2 Akara. Yes.
Yeah, means Dirgha.
Dirgha, yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Now Padmaji can read. Each one of you can read 4.
Bhakto plus asi equals bhaktosi. Here the O and A, like the O was the word young, the replacement, and followed by A. Where am I? Okay, bhaktosi. And ajo plus api, ajopi, the avargam. Yo abhijanati, yobijanati. Kavayo plus api, kavayopi.
That much. Okay. Bhaktosi. All these are O is Bhakto is a Padam. Padanta O followed by Rasva Akara.
Yeah.
Becoming Purva Rupa Sandhi. Purva is the Adesha. When you read, you have to understand this. All these things you have to see the rule. Purva Rupa Sandhi. Purva. Okay, what is the sthani here in this rule? What is the sthani and which are the sthanis and which are the adeshas?
A-O.
A-O is Stani.
A was Stani.
No.
Padanta Ing.
O
Padanta.
Yes,
Padanta
O
ing
and
and
A.
akara.
Somebody said
O and
O and
A,
A.
no.
In these examples, O and A, that is Purva and Para, both are the Stani. Both are replaced by the Adesha.
O.
O is in this example, it is O. Both are replaced by the Purva itself.
Purva. Yes.
Purva, Bhakto, yes.
Okay. Fine.
And here, Sharanji, Bhakto, that is a padam, and here Ajo is also padam, but Yo is not a padam, right? Yo abhijanati. Yo will not be a padam, right?
How do you know Yo is not a Padam?
I am not able to.
You don't like the word
I'm
Yo
not.
to be a Padam? Yo is also a Padam only.
Padam.
Yaha,
See,
Yaha.
I couldn't figure out the vibhakti, so I didn't know that I could.
What about Bhakto? Can you figure out the vibhakti? Could you figure out the vibhakti of Bhakto and Ajo?
No.
See, I know Bhakta. I know Bhakta
Bhaktaha.
is a padam, so I figure.
How
I
Bhakta
mean,
is a Padam? How do you know Bhakta is a Padam? Bhakta is not a Padam. No. Who said Bhakta is a Padam? Here, Bhakta is not a Padam. Bhakto and Bhakta, they are not same. They are different. Bhakta and Bhakto, they are not same. Why not? The sound
Bhakto
itself
is
is different.
Bhaktaha.
1 minute. Bhakta and Bhakto, the very sound itself is different. Bhakta, when you say A is there. Bhakta, when you say O is there. How can it be same? They are not same. Then how do you know Bhakta is a Padam? See, logic is that Bhakto is accepted to be a Padam. Yo is not accepted. Why? Both are Padam only. It is Bhaktaha has become Bhakto.
Bhakto.
Oh, Bhaktaha, the word was Bhaktaha. It has become Bhakto. So we don't know how it has become. Not required. Understand, Bhakto is a Padam. Yo is also a Padam. Yaha, Yo, Ye. Yaha has become Yo. Ajaha has become Ajo. Kavayaha has become Kavayo. All these are Padam only.
So Ajaha becomes Ajaha?
Don't worry about the how it become. That is a Padam.
Okay, no. I'm not asking. Ajaha, just like you say Bhaktaha, it is Ajaha. Okay, that's what I wanted to know.
Yo is Yaha. Yaha plus Api, Yopi. For that, we need to know Visarga Sandhi. That Sandhi is later. First, let us understand this Sandhi, then we'll go to that Sandhi. That Visarga Sandhi, little bit difficult. It's not too difficult. For this is the basics. Okay. Fine. But you can remember, okay, one thing, because you asked, simple clue you can remember. Ramaha will become Ramo. Okay. Krishnaha will become Krishno. Yaha will become Yo. Wherever Visarga is there, you can remember like this. Visarga, like Rama Shabda, you know, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Wherever Visarga is there, preceded by short A, remember, preceded by the short vowel A, Akara only. So Ramaha is Visarga preceded by what? A. So in Sandhi context, you will find it Ramaha as Ramo. Ramaha cannot become Ramo, remember, because it is Visarga preceded by A. Not only plural. A is there.
It's a Dirga. Okay, that's what, yeah.
So, therefore, Bhaktaha becomes Bhakto, Ramaha becomes Ramo, Yaha becomes Yo, Saha will become?
So.
Saha will become So.
So.
Guru will become?
Guru.
No.
Guru.
I didn't say that. Visarga preceded by A only I said.
Oh, so sorry.
You have to be alert. Okay. You cannot become.
Sorry, sir.
So, this is how it is. This is only some small clue you can remember. So in all these sentences, the next person, Jyotiji, in all these sentences, Abhivritto was Abhivrittaha. Loko was Lokaha. Yogo was yogaha. Yo was yaha. All these are.
Guruji, one doubt I have. How does this become Tanuja here? Loko plus asti becomes lokisti. How does loko become loki there?
If you type it wrongly, it will become.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay.
It is lokosti. Okay. It's a typo. Don't worry. It's a typo. So, thanks for that. Yes. Jyotish, you can read now.
Guruji,
Yes, Guruji.
every day we start the poem Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate.
Yes.
That
Okay.
first letter Ramo is an
Yes,
example.
exactly. Yes. Ramaha. Ramo is actually it is Ramaha. Okay.
Yep.
Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Rajamanihi cannot become because Visarga preceded by.
E.
It will not become O. Don't worry. Okay. Only if it is preceded by R. Okay. Then it will become. Then you may ask why here Chittalayaha will become Chittalayo. Why not Chittalayo?
Visargas.
Visarga is preceded by A.
No, the word is Chittam, maybe.
Not Chittam. It is Chittalaya only. The word is
Chittalayam.
not Chitta. Chittalaya is a Pradipadikam. Why it has not become Chittalayo? It is not only depending on the preceding, it depends on the following also. If the following letter is a shar letter, then that will not become. Okay. Here Sada is a shar letter. Therefore, Visarga remains as it is. Or Visarga can change to the shar letter, following shar letter. Rame Chittalayas. That's what I said, chanted, right?
Yeah, Guruji.
Rame Chittalayas Sada Bhavatume. Visarga will become the following shar letter. Sakara is a shar letter. Visarga becomes Sakara. Here it doesn't become O. So many things are there. You have to note this. I just simply said Ramaha Visarga Pisirpe becomes O. That is what in our context is. That much is enough. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Then here you can see Ramasya Dasos Myaham. Okay, you can split. Now Dasos Myaham, the word you know it. You can split. Let me type it here. Think and answer.
Daso plus Asmi.
Dasaha.
Daso
Dasaha plus Asmi plus Aham.
Dasos Myaham. Okay. Dasos Myaham. So, how do you do this? Dasos Myaham.
Dasaha plus
Saha
Asmi plus Aham.
Asmi plus Aham.
First, you have to see Yaham is there as Aham. You always start from the end. So, Aham, here Ya has come, therefore it is
Yan
Asmi.
Sandhi.
Asmi plus Aham. What Sandhi is that?
Yan Sandhi.
It is Yan Sandhi. It followed by Ach letter becomes Asmyaham. Now, the preceding one is Daso.
Daso.
Daso plus Asmi will become O plus what Sandhi?
Plus
Purva Rup Sandhi.
What Sandhi we are saying now? Daso. So the
Purva Rup
Purva is the
Sandhi.
Purva is the Adesha. The following Akara is elided, becoming the Dasosmi. And me, Dasos, me plus Aham, Yan Sandhi. Therefore, it becomes this Dasos. Dasos, then Myaham becomes. Okay, becomes Dasos Myaham. But you don't see the Avagraha in the. I deliberately removed that from the shloka. We have to see it as here Dasos Myaham. I deliberately removed that Avagraha. Agam Ram, Agam Asmi. Agam Dasaha Asmi. I am the servant. I am the servant of the Rama.
Ramasya.
Dasaha Asmi. Okay. Ramasya, Shashti Bhakti. Agam Ramasya Dasaha. I am the servant of Rama. Okay. Anyway, this all you should be able to see when you know the total. You can see individually what it is. Okay, now, Jyotiji, please read.
Yes, Guruji. Abhipravritto plus api. So padanta o and abhipravrittopi.
Good.
Loko plus asti. Lokosti. Yogo plus anirvirna chetasa. Yogo nirvirna chetasa.
Continue.
Yo plus ayam yoyam. Shak Shakyo avaptum. Shakyo vaptum. Raso plus apsu. Rasopsu.
Raso. Raso is there. What was there before? Form is?
Rasa.
Rasaha.
Rasaha.
Shakyo was?
Shakyaha.
Shakyaha. So all these things. Okay. Next person, Priyaji. Sandhi Vichedam Kuruta. All these sandhis are very interesting, but you have to see it as an interesting thing. That should create interest when only this. Otherwise, something will become difficult. For me, it is interesting to teach also. That is why I teach with passion, because this you have to, when you see it, it's unlike other language. When you see this, you have to think. This is the only language where you have to think. You cannot take things for granted. You have to think. The meaning is not also same. The meaning depends on what padam, what samasa is. So many things are there. Very interesting. So you have to think. It really, language makes a person thinking person. For Vedanta, what is required is thinking. We don't swallow ideas. No swallowing of ideas. We think. The language itself will make you think. That is why Saṃskṛta study goes along with the study of Upanishads. Without Saṃskṛtam, no study of Shastram possible. Possible, but they won't be able to appreciate. Yes, Priyaji, please read.
Yes, Sri. Mudoyam. Mudo plus ayam.
One step further you can go. Mudo plus ayam. Mudo was, what was that mudo before? Mudaha.
Yes.
That's what I said, right? Just now. Mudo plus ayam. Mudoyam is equal to mudo plus ayam. And mudaha plus ayam, you can say, right?
Yes.
Slowly that practice, if it comes, will be easy for us next Sunday when we see. So mudo is nothing but mudaha. The visarga has become what?
Oh.
Okay, one small thing. Since already I said this, see, mudaha, taking that example, it is mudo. Muda, I said, it is mudaha. Mudo doesn't become mudaha. Mudaha was there before, that becomes mudo. How it becomes mudaha? That mudaha, visarga was there. Visarga will be replaced by, that sandhi we will see later, don't worry about that. Visarga is replaced by, what should replace visarga so that you get mudo? What should replace visarga so that you get mudo? Think and tell. What should be in the place of visarga so that it becomes mudo?
Ha.
Huh? What is it? Ha.
Mudaha.
See, this is a simple thing. I'm asking visarga, mudaha is here. Mudaha has become mudo. Okay, what should be here?
Aha.
Aha. This aha.
Gunasandhi evo or
Yes, what tell me, what is your word? What is the word I'm asking? What is the letter?
akaramnaku ivuru. Akaramnaku ivuru.
Very good. Who said who? Very good. It is u. It is u. Visarga is replaced by u, and that has caused mudo. How it is ha and all?
Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay.
Da is You have to see da is dakara plus a, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Da is dakara plus a, and a plus u is what sandhi?
Guna sandhi.
That's what we
Guna
saw.
sandhi.
Avarna followed by equilateral will be guna. So in the place of visarga, what has come? Ukara has come. Therefore,
Ukara.
mudo. Remember
Mudo.
this.
Yep.
This is what visarga sandhi is. We are going to talk about this a bit later. Okay. So similarly, the same way, Ramaha, we saw that Ramaha, Ramo, Rajamani, Sada, Vijayate, Rama, in the place of Visarga, Ukara Adesha comes.
Ukara.
Visarga is a stani, Ukara is the Adesha. Now, Rama is A plus U will become Ramo.
Oh.
Understand? The same
Very
way all the
clear.
words are. So you can remember. Even though that's Sandhi we are not saying, but you can still remember. That's why I asked, what is Mudo Yam? Mudo plus Ayam is equal to Mudaha plus Ayam. Okay. Continue, Priyaji. The next one.
Yes, Sri. Loko, lokoyam, loko, lokaha plus ayam.
Yes, Loko plus Ayam, and then you can say Lokaha plus Ayam, right?
Okay. Okay.
Continue.
Sri. Kale, kalepi, kale plus api, kalaha plus api.
Think and tell. Can you say Kalaha? It's a good point here. You have to think. You cannot literally say for everything. It's not, like an Excel, you can just drag it. You cannot.
It should be kale only.
Excel, you drag it, everything will copy it. It is not like that. It is not Excel. Saṃskṛtam is not Excel. Kale plus api. Now, Kale is what?
E.
A is there.
Like
In Ramo, what is there?
this is O.
O is there. In Kale, A is there. A is not O. Therefore, it is not Visarga. Kale is Kale only. You cannot make it into a Kalaha.
Got it.
Suppose if it is
Got.
Kalaha, what will happen? If it is Kalaha, Visarga is replaced by U.
Kalu.
Becomes Kalo.
That is wrong.
If
Okay.
Kalo is there, Kalaha is correct. If Kale is there, that is not Kalaha. Right?
Okay.
You know Rama Shabda? I hope you all know it. You know it. Where? Rama Shabda. Rama, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Ramana, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramehi, then Ramaya,
Ramaya,
Ramabhyam, Mebhyaha, then Ramat, Ramabhyam,
Ramebhyaha, Ramasya, Ramayoh, Ramanam.
Rame. Stop there. Rame. That is what we are interested. Rame. What vibhakti is that?
Saptami ekvachana.
That is what Kale is also. Saptami. Kalaha kalu kalaha, kalam kalu kalane, kalena kalabhyam kalehi. If you decline like that, Saptami is what? Saptami is Kale. Pratama vibhakti is?
Rame. Yeah.
Pratama
Kale.
vibhakti is? Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Kalaha.
Kalaha.
Pratama vibhakti, Saptami vibhakti, same or different?
Rama.
Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam, Saptami vibhakti ekavachanam, same or different? Different. Therefore, Ramaha will become Ramo. Rame will not become Ramo. Understand?
Rame.
Priyaji, clear?
Yes, Sri.
The simple logic. Therefore, A is there, don't say, no, it's not. Only O is there. Because Guna Sandhi has happened. A plus U becomes O. But A is there, how can it be? Cannot become. A is Saptami Bhakti. So you have to see this. If A is there, it is Saptami Bhakti. It is a Padam. Right? So Padanta A followed by the word beginning with the short vowel A plus A will be replaced by the Purva Rupam, which is A. Kalepi. Kalepi is equal to Kale plus Api only. Clear?
Okay, Sri.
Continue.
Okay. Shall you see?
Read again. What is the word?
Sorry.
You read the word again. Last one.
Yes, Ji. Suddenly I just got confused with that letter.
Yeah, that's why I asked you to read that. You read.
I know.
What is this letter? It's a conjunct consonant.
Yes.
Jakara plus Nyakara. It is Jakara plus Nyakara. I think others also may have the same doubt,
Sure.
but they will not ask this.
Nyeyosi.
It is
J-O-C.
Jakara plus Nyakara.
Sure.
Remember, not the other way. Nyakara plus Jakara will not be this letter. Okay. Jakara plus Nyakara. Nyeyosi. Nyeyosi. Nitya Sanyasi. Yo Nadveshti na Kamshati. Comes in Gita. All these are from Gita only. So now do the Sandhi. Sandhi
Yes.
Vicheda.
Yeyo plus asi. Yeyo. Yes, Ji.
Further.
Visarga will.
Ah,
It will be Visarga.
then
Yaha asi.
Nyeyaha plus Asi. That's what it
Asi.
is. But now we can, without fear, you can tell this. This is Nyeyaha plus Asi, not like Kali Api. Okay. Here it's very clear O is there. The next person now. Kausalyaji.
Yajñotra, Neyotra, Yajñotra, sorry. Yajño plus Atra.
Equal to further.
Yajñaha plus Atra.
Yes. Continue.
Teho plus
Teho only.
Teho, Te plus Aho.
Good. Further Te will become anything?
No.
No. Stop. The Te is, what is Te? You know what is Te is. What is Te?
Sahataute.
Sahataute. Sa Tetaha. Tat Tetani. In 3 places Te is there.
Yep.
Right?
Yes.
Pullinga is there, Napumsakalinga and Strilinga, depending on the context, whether it is Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, or not Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam or Bhagavachanam, you have to know it. Okay. Okay. Continue.
Anyo Vyakta. Anyo plus Avyakta.
Further?
Avyaktaha. Anyaha plus Avyaktaha.
Yes. Next one.
Bhavonyaha. Bhavo plus Anyaha. Bhavaha plus Anyaha.
Good. Next person, Rajaji. Rajaji, you asked some doubt. You please ask me. What is that? I saw that. E plus L.
Correct.
E plus L. What is your, where is this, that particular thing?
It's coming in that Sandhi chart in page number 7.
Okay, it is simple. E plus L. E is followed by. E is followed by L. Okay. L is what? H letter. E followed by H, what will happen? E will be replaced by Yakara. Yakara and L. That's what will happen.
Okay. But how do you spell it? Like,
Don't worry, that is this combination will not come.
Okay.
Anyway, it is difficult. It's bit difficult. Ill, you have to say ill. Something.
Yeah.
It become maybe pronounceable with the, if it has got some preceding vowel or something. Okay, this is what it is. In Sandhi is E is replaced by Yakara. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, please continue.
Yeah. Avyakto yaktat. Avyakto plus avyaktat. Then avyakto can be written as avyaktah plus avyaktat.
Very good. Yes, continue.
And avyaktoksharam. Avyakto plus aksharam. Similarly, avyaktah plus aksharam.
Good.
Mantroham. Mantro plus aham. Mantraha plus aham.
Good. Okay.
AP, A plus api.
That cannot be Yaha plus Api. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
If it is Yaha plus Api, what will happen to Yaha? Okay, the same thing now. I give another one. Yaha is there. Now, with this.
Yo plus api. So yeah, this will become yaha plus api.
Yes, you understand the difference.
Yeah.
Yep.
The previous one is ye. This is yaha. Right? Okay.
Correct.
Next person, Girjaji.
Yes, Guruji. To plus api,
Not
topi.
to. It is not to.
Sorry, te. Te plus api, tepi. This cannot be dissected into ta plus api because, as you explained earlier, samo ham, samo plus aham. O means samaha plus aham.
Yes.
Bhavo, bhavaha. Bhavo plus abhavaha. Bhavaha plus abhavaha.
Bhavaha plus bhavaha. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So we compena.
Yes,
So we compare. So plus avikampena.
Yes.
So is again can be dissected into saha plus avikampena.
What is saha?
Sahataute.
Yes, that's what it is. Sahataute, right?
Yeah.
Sahataute. Okay. Next person, Manjulaji.
Thank you.
Yeah, 1 second, Guruji.
Indroham. Indro plus aham. That
Further?
is Indraha plus aham.
Okay.
Jayosmi. Jayo plus asmi. Jayaha plus asmi.
Okay.
Devosmi. Devo plus asmi. Devaha plus asmi.
Okay. Next one also you can do.
Antosti. Anto plus asti. Antaha plus asti.
Yes. Next person, Rajeshwariji.
Vishweshwino. Vishweshwino. Vishwe plus Ashwino. It will be same. Vishwe plus Ashwino.
Yes.
Namo astu. Namo plus astu. Oh, Namaha plus astu.
Yes.
Kalosmin. Kalo plus asmin. Kalaha. Sorry. Kalaha plus asmi. Rutepi. Rute plus api. It will be same. Rute plus api.
Yes. Next person, Lataji.
Yes, Guruji. Evastita. A plus avastita. It remains the same.
Evastitaha.
Stitaha. A plus avastitaha. It remains the same. A plus avastitaha.
Yes.
Ekota. Eko plus ata. Ekaha plus ata.
Yes.
Samosti. Samo plus asti. Samaha plus asti. Kleshodikataraha.
Kleshodikataraha.
Kleshodikataraha. Klesho plus adikataraha. Kleshaha plus adikataraha.
Yes. Next person, Surevendraji. Next to 4.
Ashaktosi. Ashakto asi. Ashaktaha asi.
Yes.
Sharirasto bi. Sharirasto plus abi. Sharirasto becomes Sharirastoha. Sharirastoha plus abi. Now Sorgabi.
Not Swarga, it is Sarge Abhi.
Sargebi. Sarge plus abi. Dehesmin. Dehe plus asmin.
Yes. Next person, Shruti.
Yes, Guruji. Aprakasho pravrittihi. Aprakasho plus apravrittihi. Again, it splits into aprakashaha plus apravrittihi. Yatantopi. Yatanto plus api. Yatantaha plus api. Atosmi. Ataha plus asmi. Ishwaroham. Ishwaraha plus aham.
Good. You have done the final form. Okay, I think we can stop here. You understand this, right? Other exercise, we please try this simple. I think, oh, it's going to be over. Okay, another 2 words are there. Please read.
Okay, Guruji. Siddhoham, siddha plus aham, swatantre plus asmin, swatantresmi.
Then final summary, quick summary you can do. Then we can stop. Number 1, when ak is, what is ak? What is ak?
Simple vowels.
Very good. Just say simple vowels. Ayurulu. When ak is followed by savarna ak, the last letter of the purva. Purva and para and all you must be knowing. Purva padam and the first letter of the para padam, both will be replaced by savarna dirgha. What is savarna?
Same, similar.
Similar. This is savarna dirgha sandhi. Second, when ik is followed by asavarna ach. What is asavarna?
Dissimilar. Dissimilar word.
Dissimilar.
Ach is
Vowels.
all the vowels.
Any vowel.
And ik, what is ik? That is, you can say ak minus a. Okay.
Yes.
Ik is followed by asavarna ach, then ik of the purva padam, that is a stani, which will be replaced by corresponding n letter. What are n letters?
Yavarala.
All the semi vowels, right? All the semi vowels. The third one, that is called n sandhi. Okay. The third one, when a or a is followed by ik, then both the letters will be replaced by corresponding guna letter. What are the guna letters?
A-O-R.
A-O.
A-A-O. Then that is called guna sandhi. Number 4, when a or a is followed by h letter. What is h?
A-O.
Conjunct vowels. Simple conjunct vowels. Then both the purva and para will be replaced by corresponding vriddhi letter. Vriddhi is
A-I-O.
Good. Then when h is followed by ach, conjunct vowel is followed by ach, h will be replaced by ayava yava. Okay. Then padanta yeng is followed by rasva akara. Then purva will be replaced by purva rupa will replace both. These are the 6 simple rules. We have seen a lot of examples. Okay. So with this, the sandhi topic is over. Next class we will get into the language, back to the language where we saw kriya padam, nama padam, shabdas. Again we'll come back to sandhi after little practice. We'll come back and do visarga sandhi, consonant sandhi. Many sandhis are there. We'll come back to this topic again later. Yeah, okay. Then we can go through the sandhi chart, this whole file. Oh, homework is there. It is homework is homework. Okay, we cannot do it in the class. If you do everything, then only sandhi will be there. I don't have problem in doing. You want to do it in the class? It's up to you.
Actually, last time only you said, Guruji, do the homework with all the sandhis.
We did, Guruji.
So many are there. You want to do it in the class? You can do it.
We'll check it, Guruji. We'll do it.
Check it. If you have difficulty, we can do it in the class. A lot of examples are there. Some are really you have to think. It's a bit difficult. Okay. So if you require, we'll do it in the class. Right?
Okay,
Guruji.
Stop here.
Thank you, Guruji.
Om Purnamada Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Thank you,
Dhanyawad Guruji.
Dhanyawad Guruji.